there's something I wanted to show you that is, there's a couple things. So first of all, let's go to the CB2 website. I think I demonstrated this recently, but Michael, I don't know if you've seen this. So I go to the REDCap website, and there's this new place here called version changes. And if you go here, oh, you aren't going to see all the edit stuff, sorry. But, so you'll see something like this. It will tell you the date of all the version changes. So like I did one today, version 9.34, but usually they're just bug fixes. But I came back in here and I started looking for alerts, and I scrolled down, and here was the new feature. It was released on May the 3rd. So it's been there, okay, and I just didn't pay any attention to it. So if you're wondering about things like that, you know, when they added, I keep this like back for about a year so we could scroll through. I just started it when, so I've got back all the way to January.
Would you please copy and post that link?
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There you go.